Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Boxycharm. If you've been watching, you know that I just been recording other videos, so I'm on a roll. So I figured since my Boxycharm is here, then I would just go ahead and get this open. I just peeled it open right now so we can see what is for the month of August. Now, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, which I'm sure most of you are, it is a subscription box for $21 a month. They give you full-size products. I absolutely love Boxycharm. Besides Boxycharm, FabFitFun, those two are like my favorite boxes. But $21 a month, you will definitely get your money's worth in this. And so, yeah, if you want to sign up, if you haven't already signed up, there is a link down below for you to go sign up for it. It says totally, like it makes me want to say it like a Valley girl, like totally Boxycharm. It does have the items in here with the prices, which I'll go through as we go through the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is Becca, and it is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Okay, so let me see. And it's in a container like this. Looks like that. It says keep me closed to keep me cool. It is sealed shut, so I am not gonna open it, but it's just some powder in there. Let me see. It says the weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. That's pretty cool. So I can't wait to mess around with that. And this retailed for $39. Okay, moving on. You got this Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. That just sounds nice. Glass skin. It has peach extract in it. Now, if you don't know this about me, one of my favorite fragrances is peach. Like, I like banana stuff too. It's hit or miss when it comes to fragrances and cosmetics and stuff with banana, because it doesn't really smell like banana. But peach is one of my all-time favorites, and so this is a refining serum. I want to smell it. It looks like this cute little bottle with the peach top. Looks like that. Let's see. Peach Lily, peach extract. I really just want to smell it. Let me see. It's nice and it's watery. Oh, it smells lightly. It smells lightly like peaches to me. Not a whole lot, which is fine. It does have that light fragrance of it, and I think that's cool. So that's what this is, and let me tell you a little bit about it. It says silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. This serum helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results with continued use. Expertly blended with potent earthborn and high-tech beautifying ingredients, you'll uncover skin that is poreless, translucent, and luminous like a pane of glass. Okay. That's cool. And this retails for $39. Now remember, I told you this box is only $21 a month. Okay, moving on. Let's see. Everything in here was pink so far. Well, not pink, but the Becca, the peach, and then I see pink stuff in here, so that's kind of cute. Okay, next is by Wonder Beauty, and it's Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Looks like that. And let's see, the top looks like this. It has that kind of top to it, so you can squeeze it up. Ooh, it's nice and thick. Can you see that? Oh, actually it's not thick. Oh, it's really watery. Okay, I've never had one of those, even though I am familiar with Wonder Beauty. So this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time, and that retailed for $42. Okay. Illuminating Glow Oil. That's cool. Can't wait to try this out. Yeah, so we have 3 more items. Then I see by Steve Laurent. It doesn't really say. I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip pencil, but I will find out right now. This color is really pretty. It kind of looks like plum. It's like a plum color down here. Where is it? It's a lip liner. So reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. And this retails for $15. I can't wait to try that out because no transfer. I can't wait to see. And then the last 2 items I have in here are these Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows. This one is called French Vanilla and it's silver. And this one is called Huckleberry. Let me open these. That Huckleberry is so pretty. Oh my gosh. They look like that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they are, that is so cushiony. It's like a cushion. And this is what they look like. Come on, focus. There they go. And they're really pigmented, for me to just kind of go like that. Really pigmented and really, really nice. That silver is very pigmented because I just tried to wipe it into my hand and it made a mess. I have a mess in between in my hand right there. Okay, so those Glimmer Shadow Duo. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading, and they retail for $25. So that is everything in my August Boxycharm. Overall, I've always been satisfied with Boxycharm. Some months, I'm not gonna lie, like this month, it's not my favorite box. I'll say that. I will say that. I love the products, but however, it's just not my favorite. So I will use these products. If not, I always pass stuff along to friends, family, or whoever. But yeah, but I'm not saying that for you not to subscribe to Boxycharm, because they are an amazing subscription box, but just my opinion, this month was not my favorite. But okay, you guys, that is it. I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Let me know if we got the same products, if we got the same exact, are we twinsies? Did we get the same exact stuff in the same in your box? Okay, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.